How to use Slack List feature 2026. To use the Slack List feature as of 2026, you simply have to click the List tab on your desktop. So go ahead and then launch the application on your desktop. And now you simply have to click the List tab in your sidebar and select the New List option. Once you do this, you simply have to give it a recognizable title and choose an icon. Now you simply have to use the project templates and also set the access visibility. Once you do this, you simply have to now proceed to add the fields column by tapping the plus button and also proceed to assign the owners and toggle the layout views as well. And then proceed to create an intake form, connect to the channels, and once the automating and workflow alerts and forms is done, you simply have to converse directly on task items. Open the row item and then start a card thread. From there, you can upload files, type notes, and mention teammates. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.